Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Kia Sorento, stock number 6116. This ran from 07 2007 to 09 2009. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear door mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Center console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,